Is your car showing electrical problems? Maybe warning lights, a dead battery, or malfunctioning electronics? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and reset common car electrical issues, step by step, even if you're a beginner. Step 1. Safety first. Turn off your car and remove the keys. Wear protective gloves and glasses to avoid accidents when handling the battery and wiring. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Always start with the negative terminal, then the positive. This prevents short circuits while you inspect and repair. Step 3. Inspect the battery terminals. Look for corrosion or dirt. Clean them with a wire brush or battery cleaner. Also, check all ground connections for looseness or corrosion. Step 4. Check your fuses. Locate the car's fuse box and carefully remove each fuse. Replace any blown fuses with the correct amperage. A single blown fuse can cause multiple electrical problems. Step 5. Test your battery and alternator. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts when the engine is off. Then start the car and check the alternator output. It should read between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Step 6. Inspect all visible wiring for damage, frays, or loose connections. Pay extra attention to areas near the engine or moving parts. Damaged wiring can create intermittent or persistent electrical issues. Step 7. If you cannot locate the issue or the problem persists, consult a professional. Modern cars have complex electrical systems that sometimes require specialized diagnostic tools. By following these steps, you can fix and reset many common car electrical problems safely at home. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more DIY car repair tips. Check the description for recommended tools like multimeters and battery cleaners. Fix your car, save money, and drive safely.